Where are we going today, son?
We are going to Uisneach! Woo-woo!
Hello and a very warm welcome to the Hill of Uisneach, County Westmeath, Ireland. We are here to see the lighting of the Bealtaine Fire, a symbol from our ancient past rekindled to see the blessed return of summer, one of Ireland's oldest festivals. Come join us for highlights.
Extreme walking. That's what we do.
We arrived at about 4 p.m. to a very well organised car park, and the hike up to the main festival field is not that strenuous. The main festival field hosts an abundance of catering, craft stalls and practitioners from many different disciplines such as shamanic and holistic realms. It was a great pleasure to see a lot of the crafters working away under stalls. Some beautiful creations here from Irish wood sculpture. Check them out. Any crafters celebrating the importance of the bee. We were delighted to see this queen with the 2 white dots on her back, very elusive. We met the people at Raspic Honey and took home a sample. It was lovely.
What's the review?
Delicious. It's really smooth. It's got a real tang at the end of it.
You're going to limber up for this?
And then on for a very informative demonstration on the male and female ceremonial horns from ancient music Ireland.
Wow.
So I see they've evolved it from these to this.
There is evidence that the ancient tradition of the lighting of the Bealtaine Fire at the Hill of Uisneach dates back about 5,000 years. The festival as we see it now opened to the public in 2009. Unable to allow crowds to gather over the last 2 years, the Clark family kept the fire alive each year and streamed the event. This is a family-friendly festival with very special guests, storytelling circles, live yoga, and evidence that the ecosystem is thriving in this area. There is a very ancient energy in Uisneach. It is a place steeped in history and the birthplace and resting place of many characters from Irish folklore. The goddess of Ireland, Éire, is said to be resting beneath the sacred stones in the area, as are the Tuatha De Danann, the supernatural race from Ireland's mythology. The first fire is said to have been lit by the Druid Mia. It is told that it burned for 7 years. Thereafter, Ireland's high kings would light the flame. It acted as a symbol across the hilltops that summer had arrived. People would walk herds of cattle around and between 2 fires to bless them and protect them and the land. Home fires were doused and a new flame was lit from the Bealtaine Fire to see the darkness of winter away. People from all over would meet and share stories, news, feast and hope for a good harvest. We met Ciara and Dan, our old friends from Bog Buddies, who electrified the atmosphere for the rest of the evening with a great performance. As the sun went down, we made our way to see the procession prepare to light the flame. It was a pleasure to be amongst so many people again. As it was in the past, the festival united all people. It was hard not to think about the connection between us and our ancestors, standing on the same hill, the same land, the very same soil that nourished their herds now feeds ours. Many people dressed up for the event and many would take part in the fire lighting procession. Sandy went all out as our very own May Queen. As the procession party flowed across the field into the main gathering area, the procession seemed to be made up by the elements in which the universe is made of. The procession is led by fire, followed by air, water, and the spirits of the earth. Four elements and four provinces in our land. Uisneach is romantically referred to as the province of the heart and soul of Ireland, geographically the navel of Éire. All clans would mix and circle the fire and unite as one. The triskel is made up of three spirals representing the three worlds: the present physical realm, the spirit world of our ancestors, the celestial world of the sun, moon, stars and planets. Three endless lines representing human strength, our ability to move forward and overcome. The fire burns long and bright into the nighttime as celebrations continue. The embers fly across the land, urging us to give away anything that doesn't serve us and look with hope into the long, warm summer evenings. So if you're at a loose end next May, we would highly recommend a visit to Uisneach. May the light of the Bealtaine Fire stay with you for the rest of the summer. Get out and enjoy yourself. Hopefully we'll see you somewhere along the road. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. Until next time, slán leat.